In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Shopify subscription and get a refund. If you're considering ending your Shopify journey, maybe due to changes in your business strategy or simply deciding that it's no longer the right fit for you, you'll need to understand the steps involved in canceling your subscription properly to ensure a hassle-free process. Let's walk through this together. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Shopify account. Log in and go to the admin dashboard. On this dashboard, look for the My Store section, which is the main hub for managing your shop's settings and operations. This will be your starting point for accessing all the necessary settings. Once you're at the My Store home, you'll need to navigate to the Settings section. You can find this at the bottom of the left-hand menu. It's your go-to for all configurations related to your shop, and it's where we can adjust the subscription details. Within the Settings menu, look for and click on Billing. This area covers all things related to your financial dealings with Shopify, including payments, invoices, and the specifics of your current plan. It's essential to open this up to proceed with canceling your plan. Next, within the Billing section, locate the Plan option. Clicking on this will give you detailed insights about your current subscription, including the plan type, fees, and billing cycle. This is where you can manage your subscription choices. After you've reached the Plan page, you'll see an option to Cancel Plan. Clicking on this is a pivotal step as it begins the process of ending your subscription. Keep in mind that while this action initiates the cancellation, it may not automatically trigger a refund. Shopify's policies generally require that you reach out to your bank directly to process any refunds related to your subscription. It's a key detail, so make sure you don't skip it if you're looking to get a refund for any unused services. Navigating these steps should help you smoothly cancel your Shopify subscription. Remember, calling your bank to confirm your refund details is equally crucial. Wrapping things up on this platform can sometimes feel daunting, but following these simple instructions should make it a bit easier. Should you decide to revisit Shopify in the future, you'll know exactly where to go to start things back up. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more guided tutorials.